Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at the LG monitor 27-inch curved. Picked this one up at Costco, got a great deal. Doing just a quick unboxing. I'm gonna set it up on my desk here, my monitor. Gonna show you what it looks like. I'm gonna give you my impressions, also give you my thoughts. You know, I don't know, I think it's gonna be good enough. I'm looking for a decent monitor. I think this is a 1080 monitor. I don't think it's 4K, but the price point was great. It's got 100 Hertz refresh rate and HDR video. USB-C and also standard connection, I believe, as well to hook up the monitor. So we'll check it out, see if it works with my system, have it set up on my desk, and we'll do that. We'll do a quick unboxing and we'll set up and I'll let you know my thoughts. If you are interested, I'll leave a link down below. If you're interested, if it's not available at Costco anymore, I'll leave a link below this video right over here, and it will just set you up. If you're interested, you can take a look at that and see if you like something like this for your house. Maybe it works for you. It's a great entry-level monitor, not a lot of money, but really seems to be really cool. Let's take a quick unboxing. Okay, so here's everything that came in the box. It does come with a power supply. Here's the power supply here, the brick power supply, which is good. Also, it does come with a stand. I don't need this stand because I have a bracket I'm going to use for that, and also an HDMI cable. So I'm using an HDMI cable for my big, and I'll show you my setup here real quick here. So here's my Mac, working on a project here. Here's a monitor. It goes into this device here, which is a splitter, splits out to the signal here onto my computer. So that way, if I want to just, look at something here, or if I'm editing something, if I want to check out what I'm doing, oops, sorry about that. So this monitor here, the problem with this monitor here, it's old technology. It only has the HDMI. I'm looking for HDMI and USB-C, which this one does have, and a little bit bigger. That way I can hook up my Mac M5 to the C port. So on the HDMI port on one side, and then USB-C for the other side. That way I can use either Mac, I can use that Mac, or I can use my desktop over here. Either one I want to use for my system. That way if I'm editing something on my M5, I can work over here. If I'm working over here, if I'm editing a video, which I'm doing right now, over here. So that's the idea. Sorry about the quick motions, but that's just the idea behind it. So I'm going to set this one here on my computer, on my desk here. I'm going to hook it up, and then we're going to do a quick review and just tell you what I think about it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you like these kind of Costco reviews. I think it's kind of cool. And this is a curved monitor, which is really, really nice. Let's take this out. So I don't need the stand. Get it out of the way. I got so much stuff here, guys. Sorry. Too much stuff. So here's the monitor here, in here. It's all packed in here. Nicely, like that. Let's pull this out. Here, so the brackets are right here. I'm going to hook up my monitor on I have the brackets that just pop right on here, and then below here is the HDMI and also the USB-C right here. That is where that goes, and the power supply goes there. So we'll see. We'll check it out. 27-inch, and this one here I believe is only a 20-inch. So it's a little bit bigger, which will help me a lot. All right, let me just hook this up and you'll get a quick look at it. Okay, guys, you can see here, it's all connected to my arm. As you can see, I have everything here. I've got my webcam, I got my lights, camera, and I got this awesome monitor right here with your review channel. That's where you're watching this review on. And you can just see how nice and clear this images really works well. The refresh rate's excellent. That 100 Hertz is fantastic. And I'm going to just play a quick video right here so you can get an idea. Right there, you can just see. There you go. Let me just lower that volume real quick here. I want you to see. So the quality of the video is actually, imaging is perfect. The refresh rate is really, really good. You can just see how that's working. Absolutely love this monitor. It's got the curve to it, but not a huge curve, but just enough to work on a good sized desk. That 27-inch is really, really nice. So I'm definitely going to recommend this for sure. I'll leave a link down below for this kind of product. That way you can just pick it up yourself. I do get a small commission if you do pick this up, and it's an affiliate link. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy these type of videos. And we do all kinds of reviews just like this. And this Costco monitor is awesome. And also you can pick it up online to be a link in the description right below. And I do get a small commission, like I said. It does cost you nothing, but it does help support my channel. And you can just see it just works really, really well. Really nice stuff. Love it. Fantastic. Here's another video. Let's pop another one up here real quick. Of course, an ad has to pop up, but you can see the quality. Full size. HD quality, not 4K. This is not a 4K, but you can see how beautiful the color, the quality is just fantastic. So definitely going to give this an A+. It's a great job. It looks super sharp, even better in person, and I'm definitely going to recommend it. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And the reason why I bought this because I have my M5 Mac right here closed, and right now I'm just pumping it with the USB-C right in the back, and I got it right here. I'm good to go.
Just that easy. Super easy and super simple to hook up, but just connect it. I know it mirrors it, and that's exactly what I was looking for this specific computer, and it works great. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next review.